A contract extension between Benny Bloss and Beta will see their first rider from 2024 continue through the 2026 season, with a quote from Benny saying, "I am beyond excited to be continuing with Beta for another year. I really enjoyed these 2 years with the team so far. Everyone works together so well, and it really feels like one big family. I know I'm capable of better results and look forward to achieving those with this great team." Now, obviously, being the first rider for the team, he was the first top 10 finish in Daytona in 2025 and also in Nashville. And then this year, with three more top 10 finishes, which you can kind of say, yeah, asterisk because there's a ton of people injured, but still good results for him, good results for the team. And from Carlin Gardner, the Supercross race team manager, saying, quote, "Benny has proven to be a key part of our program. His experience, work ethic, and feedback are invaluable, and we're thrilled to continue building with him for the future. We believe great things are ahead." Now, obviously, he is the biggest rider on the track. You can never miss him because he looks like he's riding an 85. And for him, this is good. I mean, just like the Aaron Plessinger news, well, sort of hinting news about the resigning for him, as a racer, this is exactly what you need. You don't have to worry about next year now. You already have your contract done. I mean, yes, obviously, you'd probably want a 2-year deal so you don't have to worry about it, starting next year. But with a contract in the bag, you can finish out the Supercross season. I'm assuming race the outdoors and SMX playoffs, and you're not worried about having to finish really well in every single round. You just do the best you possibly can. Obviously, you'd want good finishes. You want top tens. You want top fives if you can get there, whatever. But for him, it's got to be a nice weight off your shoulders to have a contract in the bag. Know where you're going to be next year. Not have to worry about that or trying to find a ride. And hopefully, we can keep building and Beta as a brand can hopefully continue to put money into this and get better. But I don't know. Comment down below. Short little video. You guys tell me, good for him, good for the brand. Are you excited about this? Do you think somebody else should have gotten the ride? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.